Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about Cloudflare, which is API and CMS integrated user-friendly CND software. CDN, sorry. So we'll go through some pros and cons. I'll tell you more about this beautiful software, and then we'll hop back into the Cloudflare and I'll show you what is it about. So Cloudflare Content Delivery Network is a user-friendly software and can help significantly trigger up the loading speed. The software is exclusively designed for ensuring modern cloud computing. It comes with a smart dashboard that gives a graphical presentation to help managers make instant informed decisions. The software helps in static content caching and distributed POPs for decreasing load times. It is also capable to purge the cache from the different distributed POPs. This CDN software supports dynamic content routing as well. Custom SSL is available for enhancing security. Users will benefit from pre-built custom reporting facility. CMS and API integration is available. And that's what you really want to see with this CMS, that integrations are really something that you should keep an eye at. So it's made for all types of businesses, if you're small, medium or large, and also I would say it's great for freelancers as well, and providing 24/7 support anytime you need. Sadly, you can't really run it on your mobile phone, obviously. And the only way how you can operate it is through your web browser. So, what is it worth? As you can see, security, performance, and reliability all in one package. Those are the options for you at the moment. It's free for personal websites, blogs, and anyone who wants to explore Cloudflare. It's basically $0, so you are not paying anything. With Pro, for professional websites, blogs, and portfolios requiring basic security and performance, it's $20 billed monthly. For businesses, for small e-commerce websites and business requiring advanced security and performance, PCI compliance and prioritize email support, $200 a month billed monthly, and enterprise level, basically everything is unlocked, every single feature, and also top-notch support. And you have to ask for a quotation. So basically they are trusted by millions of internet properties. Discord, that's very nice. Zendesk, Garmin, IBM. So this one is really popping up. So what can we learn about Cloudflare more? It's super reliable and safe. When we go and pop up into our Cloudflare account, we see that the UI is completely normal. I would say you can compare it to the other programs of this CMS programs or software designs. You can easily add a site. That's basically what you have to start with. Enter your site that you want to secure. We have the support with Help Center, community, and documents. You can change the language, and also in the top right corner you have your profile, home, billing, appearance, and also how you can log out. On the left side you have your sidebar. You can easily pop it out or in. Then we have the websites. At the moment none of them is added yet. You can buy domains, .tv or .cc. So I believe TV is Tuvalu, or US domains are are available as well. As you can see, we have to verify the email in my profiles. Then we have authentications for password or two-factor and API token, which you can easily create. So this you will need for accessing the integrations. Let's check out if you can integrate it through most common, and that's obviously Zapier. And let's check for Cloudflare. And at the moment they are not supporting Cloudflare, at least at Zapier. But I believe if you want to create an integration inside, you will be more than able to. And for that, you will need the API key if you want to make it extra safe. Then we have analytics of accounts, analytics, web, and carbon impact report. We have a pages. For that, let me verify the account. Should be verified now. Yeah. So straight away, you can already see the integration inside of the Cloudflare, which is GitHub and GitLab. Then we have the workers that you can set up. You can also process streaming. You can check out the images to resize and then implement. We have a security center where you can enhance your securities. Zero trust. Let's check it out. And as you can see, straight away, you are in here. And you have to proceed to payment and all the stuff. But now they are asking you to add the payment method, which is a PayPal, or you will have to address your credit card, which I don't really want to do in the video. Bulk redirects if you have tons of data, notification, and also manage the account with members. Here you can easily add more members into it. It's a little bit more complicated, and most definitely you will need more time to check it all out. Also, we will create more comparison, for example, with AWS, which is Amazon CloudFront, Akamai, Fastly, or Netlify. And we'll try to find out for you which one is the best one to run with, best CMS. Up until then, if you have more questions about Cloudflare, don't hesitate and ask your question underneath this video. We'll try to answer them as quickly as possible. Also, we'll for sure create more video, for example, how to add more people, more customers into your Cloudflare account, how to do some changes and really get it in the level that you will be able to get the most of the Cloudflare. Up until then, guys, thanks for watching, and consider a like and subscribe if you like the video. And then, yeah, see you at the next one, and can't wait. See you soon and have a great day. Goodbye.